You are rolling on the Rolls Royce juju.
Can you call me Joshua?
Yoruba steps up and said, I'm coming down to Igbo to pick an amazing food. And it's happening. They fought it, they tried to stop it, they did everything possible to end it. But the will of God will happen again and again and again. We have it all. Blessed in all ramifications.
There was no L there.
And there are more people now.
Yeah, but only British International School, Victoria.
Are you in jail or what the house? Me, I was in the green room.
Lit.
Send some more people.
Chivido 2024. Excessive steez. Let me see that ring. Oh my God. Wedlock.
Two, 3 Rolls Royces right there.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Omo my country people na see wetin dey for Chioma finger so. Why won't some people get jealous? See the kind money this woman dey chop. Chioma Adeleke. Omo, Chioma is whoever she thinks she is. Baby just dey natural. Like omo, Davido dey chop sha. Davido dey chop real meat. No wonder he talk say anywhere you see me, they go call my name. Come they tell Chekeleke, give me 1 kele. Davido 2024. The wedding is gonna be a shutdown. It's next Tuesday, 25th of June. I will keep you guys updated. When I know say Davido na my G, anything pertaining to him now I dey share for my page. I be read 30 BGs. Any other na counterfeit. You understand? I know say all the FCs no go relate. All the FCs on 25th is gonna be a total shutdown. Everything about Davido and Chioma is what you'll be seeing online. Like the whole of next week is all about Davido 2024. So make una buy enough data, cause as everything they cook now they bring for my page. No dull moment. I no go lose guard at all. So get ready to get tired of me. Hello, it's Davido 2024. I know say a lot of people, we don't want this wedding to happen, but as God may have it, God is on the side of our beautiful Chioma, Chef Chi. God dey for her side. So this wedding, it don't be, nothing go change them. 25th June is a feast day. So that's so we go carry all their matter for our head. Come they share for una. If you no go like them, better unfollow now, no, cause you get tired of me on 25th of June. I say make I just update una. Say it go be a total shutdown. Omo my people waiting on a think. Drop your opinion for comment section. See you guys on my next episode. Stay safe out there. See your one and only amiable girl Cindy. Ngwanu. Bye.